Okay, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I've got myself a really destroyed pit bike and I'm going to see if I can get it running. So with that out of the way, let's get straight into tearing it apart.
Someone to follow through with what I am. In all these moments I've lived away to a memory. It's like I'm sleeping with a stranger tonight. Our love has burned straight to the ground. I swear to you. What makes you think we dream about each other honestly? I think we're fine and broken now. I see there's no such thing as forever broken free. 'Cause now you're just so hollow inside. I won't sing tonight of those simple words to make you mine.
So my camera went flat, but I've done a little bit more now. I pulled all the rear brakes off. So now I'm going to continue the time lapse and I'm going to drop the motor out.
Try to tell myself this love is true. Oh, what a lie. Haunting memories of what you used to be that won't go away. It's like I'm sleeping with a stranger. There's nowhere to turn. Try to turn this thing around. Not here and not now.
Okay, so now I'm just going to drop the oil out of the motor.
What makes you think we dream about each other honestly?
Okay, so I'm draining the oil now. It's actually coming out really disgusting, but I already knew that because I checked the dipstick earlier. So it's really milky and smells like fuel, so that's not great, but hopefully it'll be alright. It doesn't seem to have any little bits of metal or anything in it, so that's a good sign at least. Last time I drained the oil out of my quad bike, it was full of little bits of metal, so hopefully this thing's alright, but I might open it up and just pull one of the side cases off and have a look at it. But other than that, I just got to take the exhaust, the little bit of the broken exhaust off there. Turns out it's actually a 125 or 124. That's actually good. I thought it was only like an 80 or a 110, but turns out it's a 125. So that's actually pretty mental. So it's actually a half decent pit bike. Okay, so now I'm going to start cleaning up and polishing my rear swing arm.
Of your mouth and your heart beats straight, yeah, it's pushing it out, and you don't give a shit. No, you're not getting out of it. You're going down. Your lie is so much louder than mine. Won't sing tonight. Although it's simple.
Okay, so I finished cleaning this up now. It actually came out a lot better than it was. However, it's still got a little bit of rust on it, like on the edge of these and just in a few other spots where it's chipped along there. But for now, this will do. I might sand it down and paint it later on, but now I'm going to move on to cleaning up the frame. Okay, so that's all I was able to get done tonight. So I'm going to head in now and I'll come back out tomorrow morning and continue cleaning up the frame, and hopefully I'll paint some of the frame tomorrow. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed, please make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.